Hi, everyone. We're here to talk about Newbie Bite number 7, which is all about user input. Before we get to user input directly, I want to take a moment to talk about functions in general. The way that functions work in Python is you call the function by typing the name of the function followed by parentheses. Then the function does all of the things that it's programmed to do, and at the end, it will return something. In the case of input, you literally type the word input followed by parentheses. It prints the prompt, which is optional. We will get to that in just a moment. It collects whatever is typed by the user. When you press the enter key or the return key, it stops collecting, and then it returns a string of whatever has been collected. Let's head over to the REPL first. If you type the word help, put parentheses, and you type in the name of some other function or data type and press enter, it will give you some help. This is amazing. It tells me that input is a built-in function. It takes a prompt. This will read a string from standard input and the trailing new line is stripped. If a prompt is given, it is printed to standard output with a trailing new line before reading the input. So I'm going to use my favorite editor. I use NeoVim, by the way. And I'm going to go ahead and create a blank file. And just to start here, let's type in input, call the function, and we're not going to have this do anything else. I'm going to close my file after saving it, and now I'm going to run it using Python. Currently, I don't have a prompt. I don't have anything else letting me know that I need to enter in user input, so this is not looking so nice. If I mess around, I recognize that I can type, and then I can press enter, and now my program is over. That's not very helpful to anyone. Let's fire up NeoVim one more time. Let's try inserting a prompt. So our prompt will be enter a username. I'm going to exit out and save and run my program one more time. Now I have a very beautiful prompt. I know what I'm supposed to do here. So I'll go ahead and enter in my username, and that's the end of my program. Currently, it doesn't save it or store it in an object, so let's go ahead and adjust that. Moving to the front here, I'm going to say that username is equal to input, and now I can actually do something with that. And let's say you entered the username, and let's use an F string. Here we have our F string ready to go. I'm going to save and quit, and I'm going to run our program one last time. Enter a username. Now I run it, and it will print to the screen, you entered the username, Mr. H. Hopefully this video helps you. Good luck on today's bite. I believe you're asking for user input for the 12th month of the year.